running well. Wind is in the perfect position. Let's run quick, get it up, pull some brake, take off. Go! Factory Butte, by the way. It's a pretty cool place. It got really famous on Instagram amongst drone photographers. We got the perfect light at Factory Butte. This is a golden hour place. You want this detail in the shadows, showing all these curves. As soon as the sun drops below this cliff, we're gonna lose all that detail. Trying to replicate some of the techniques I used to use with the drone. Not just because, like, I usually use them with the drone because it wasn't possible to get the perspective I wanted without using these techniques. The techniques I'm referring to are panoramas and vertiramas, where I take like up to 20 pictures, up here, and then I merge them all into one picture. And that has the effect of basically giving you a super wide angle lens, but it has another effect, which is that it changes the perspective. It changes the depth of field beyond what you could possibly get even with a wide angle lens. Because what a wide angle lens tends to do is shrink the background. So if I take a wide picture, like fully wide pic, it's nice, it gets the full foreground, but we're gonna miss all the background. And the background here is like, you know, it's cool, it's not that great, but sometimes if you take a pano zoomed in and you get enough detail, it can produce a really cool looking image that just defies any lens. It's just a different perspective that you'll never get just shooting with one focal length. Sometimes I just can't believe my eyes. This is so cool. How incredible. Factory Butte. I want to get directly on top and take a straight down from above drone shot with the paramotor. higher, which will solve two problems. Pretty much mean I will be able to glide all the way back if I want to, and it'll also give me the shot that I want, because I'll be able to fit all of this into frame. That's a cool shot. Oh my gosh, that's a sick shot. I can't wait to edit some of these. Super cold. I need gloves, man. It is cold. I'm very excited to go south, start getting towards Arizona, California, and my personal favorite, Baja California. Man, this thing did not disappoint. Type of thing, like these patterns in the desert floor. It's easy to overlook them when there's something crazy like Factory Butte beside them, but looking pretty cool. Okay, so the wind is coming a lot away. Should be okay to yeah, I took off that way. So the wind is coming here. I should stay on the dark side, the shadow side. So one of the really crazy things or risk factors of paramotoring that you just need to avoid is rotor. Mechanical turbulence downwind of an object like this is just like a rock in a river, where the water will swirl afterwards, except you can't see the air. So downwind of this thing, with enough wind, the more the worse. So like, usually, definitely at least 5 miles an hour plus, probably more like 10 or more than that. But downwind, in that wind, there will be a lot of turbulence, and that's where you see people have their parachute just completely collapse and just get rocked around, and hopefully with the right wing it'll redeploy. It's another thing this area is known for. It's these really cool abstract aerial shots of these painted hills, painted desert. Beautiful colors in the hills and the shell. It looks like a different planet. I mean, this all looks like a different planet, but that especially looks just wild. We got some painted hills straight ahead, right in front of the van. We're at the perfect light for that sort of thing. You want right after the sunset. It will really give you the absolute best textures. Sometimes people ask me how I avoid paramotor vibrations messing up the pictures. I mean, just shoot over 1/800th and you'll be fine. That's all there is to it. At least with a stabilized camera, a stabilized lens, that's really enough. See, so this is what I'm trying to get. Just straight down on this stuff in the blue hour. Ooh, I got my van in the shot. Nice. I would say this was one of the good flights. All right,